In today's video, we are going to show you how to trade Dow Jones on Exness. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do once you are logged in, I want you to make sure that you are on the Analytics tab. And then on the search bar, all I have to do is enter the symbol or the name, which is going to be Dow Jones. Press enter, and what will happen is you would notice that you have the Dow Jones, also called US 30, is a stock market index that tracks 30 major companies in the United States, including Apple, Microsoft, Coca-Cola, and Boeing. Now, when traders say they are trading US 30, they are speculating whether the Dow Jones index will move up or down. US 30 is popular because it moves strongly every day, it has good volatility, and it offers opportunities for day traders and scalpers. But remember, because it moves fast, risk management is very important. Once you have chosen the symbol, which is going to be US 30 or Dow Jones, I want you to click the trade button here. And what will happen is you need to choose where do you want to trade the Dow Jones. You can use your real account, or in our case, we are suggesting you use a demo account to avoid risking real money. Choose your demo account. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this. Click the trade button, and you need to choose which trading platform you are going to trade the Dow Jones. You can use the Exness terminal, which you can trade directly from your browser. However, if you choose the MetaTrader 5, you need to download and install the MT5 platform in your computer. We are going to choose the first option, and you'll be forwarded to the trading platform itself. Now, here's a simple buy setup. First, the price must stay above 50 EMA, which is going to be on the volume. Okay? Next, wait for the market to bounce from support, then wait for a bullish candle confirmation, which is going to be this one. Once the candle closes, place a buy trade, which is going to be this, and remember to put a stop loss and take profit. Stop loss below support and take profit at resistance. Once you've done that, all I have to do now is click the confirm button. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to trade Dow Jones on Exness. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.